So today is May the 4th, aka Star Wars Day, and to celebrate I have not just one, but two Star Wars related tech deck unboxings. Package number one I have to be very careful with. Oh my goodness, this is so sick. Check this out. This is a 10-pack of Santa Cruz and Star Wars collaboration boards that was sold in 2013, and it's also a Toys R Us exclusive. There's a mix between regular shaped boards, cruiser shapes, and you even have some long boards in there too. So the collector side of me wants to hang this up and display it, but the fingerboard side of me wants to shred all of these boards, especially because some of them have some really unique shapes. So that is where the second package comes in. So I managed to find someone selling an opened 10-pack online where they were already out of the package, so I can skate these and I can display these. For the regular shaped boards, there's 4 of them total, and they all have colored wheels. 2 of the wheel color shades are really unique for tech deck wheels. And the Darth Vader board is a black deck for the dark side, with red wheels for his red lightsaber. There's also 3 cruiser style boards, and they each have graphic wheels that are a lot wider than standard tech deck wheels. And the colorway of these 2 truck hangers is really unique to tech decks as well. And then my personal favorite, the 3 longboard tech decks. One of which is an exclusive glow-in-the-dark edition. And all 3 of these have the classic tech deck longboard trucks, as well as the wheels that feel like urethane wheels. For example, here's what the regular tech deck wheels sound like. And this is what the more grippy urethane-like material sounds like. So they're a lot quieter than standard tech deck wheels, and they also feel a lot more grippy. So that is it for today's unboxing video. I am super curious though, if you could only have one of these boards, which one would you choose and why?